Hey guys, this is how to add the shake effect in Kinemaster. So I have a GIF open here for demonstration and I want to add the shake effect for it, maybe in the middle. So what I'm going to need to do is just scroll to the point where I want to add the shake effect and then click on layers, then click on effect, then scroll down till you find shake, click on it. And then you're going to find a lot of different options for the shake effect. So you can do like in all directions, or you could just do right and left, up, down, right and left, up, down. So you could do whatever you want really. And if you want to see how it looks, let's just spread this out a little bit. And then make this cover the entire screen. Then you can just scroll to see how it looks. So yeah, looks pretty good. I like this one. So let's just go back and see how the video looks. Or the GIF, I'm sorry. So yeah, it added like a slight effect. I can just elongate this and make it longer so the effect would last longer. So we can see it better. Yep, can you see it? Looks pretty good. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.